If z is equal to pi by 6, we want to find the following. Now, before we do that, let's have a quick aside. We know that if we have complex numbers, z1 is equal to r1 cis theta 1, and z2 is equal to r2 cis theta 2, then z1, z2 is equal to r1, r2 cis theta 1 plus theta 2. It stands to reason that if we have z is equal to r cis theta, then z squared, we're going to multiply the moduli and get r squared, and we'll add the argument to the same argument, giving us essentially 2 theta. So in other words, we square the modulus and we multiply the argument by 2. And you can see by extension of the reasoning we've given here that we're going to do something similar with the cube and so on. So for this one, the modulus is 1, which makes it nice and easy because 1/20 power is 1. So that's just going to be cis 2 pi by 6, which is cis pi by 3. Z cubed would be cis 3 pi by 6, just extending the reasoning as we discussed over here, and therefore that is cis pi by 2. Z to the 6 is going to be cis 6 pi by 6, and therefore that is going to be cis pi, or just -1. Z to the 12 is going to be cis 12 pi by 6, which is cis 2 pi, or just 1. Now, this is the important thing in doing the last part. When we come to z to the 13, that's going to be cis 13 pi by 6. Now we know that 12 pi by 6 has brought us all the way around the diagram to here. Then we're going to go another pi by 6. So that's going to bring us to here. And that's the start point. This was just z, but it's also going to be z to the power 13. And note that z to any multiple of 12 would be here. It would be 1. So we know that this one is going to be cis pi by 6. Back to the beginning again. And we've also established that z to the 12n would be back here. It would be the same as cis 0, or just 1. So when we do z to the 2022, what we want to do is 2022 divided by 12. How many times does 12 go in? 168.5. And 168 times 12 is 2016. So we've got z to the 2022, but we know z to the 2016 is going to be equal to cis 0. It's just going to be 1. So z to the 2022 is going to be the same as z to the power 6. That's just your 2022 take away 2016. And z to the 6 we already established was cis pi, which is -1.